Think your wallet is just for cash and cards? Think again. These 10 smart wallets come packed with game-changing features like GPS tracking, RFID protection, and Apple Find My that could completely change the way you carry your everyday essentials. Stay until the end, because the #1 pick is unlike anything you've ever seen. Rolling Square AirCard. The Rolling Square AirCard is one of the smartest accessories you can add to any wallet. As thin as a standard credit card, it slips inside effortlessly while giving your wallet powerful tracking capabilities through Apple's Find My network. It also features separation alerts, a built-in speaker to help you locate it faster, and a rechargeable battery that lasts for months. Water-resistant and incredibly lightweight, it's perfect for travelers, professionals, and anyone who hates losing their wallet. If you want to turn almost any wallet into a smart wallet, the Rolling Square AirCard is an easy and worthwhile upgrade. ESR Geo Wallet. The ESR Geo Wallet is more than just a wallet. It's a smart everyday companion for iPhone users. With built-in Apple Find My support, you can quickly locate your wallet if it ever goes missing without needing an extra tracker. Its slim MagSafe compatible design securely attaches to the back of your iPhone while keeping your essential cards within easy reach. RFID blocking technology adds another layer of protection against digital theft, making it as secure as it is convenient. If you want a modern wallet packed with smart features, the ESR Geo Wallet is definitely worth checking out. Zenlet 3. The Zenlet 3 is a futuristic smart wallet designed for people who love clean design and everyday convenience. Its innovative one-handed card access lets you retrieve your cards in seconds, while the durable aluminum body protects them from daily wear and tear. Built-in RFID blocking technology helps safeguard your personal information against digital theft, giving you extra peace of mind wherever you go. Despite its ultra-slim profile, it offers impressive storage without creating pocket bulk. If you're looking for a wallet that combines premium materials, modern engineering, and a sleek minimalist style, the Zenlet 3 is an outstanding everyday carry upgrade that truly stands out. Chipolo Card. The Chipolo Card isn't a traditional wallet. It's the smart upgrade that makes almost any wallet impossible to lose. Slim enough to fit inside your wallet like a regular card, it works with Apple Find My or compatible tracking networks, helping you locate your wallet in seconds if it's misplaced. You can also receive separation alerts when you accidentally leave it behind, giving you extra peace of mind throughout the day. With its rechargeable battery, sleek design, and reliable tracking technology, the Chipolo Card is one of the smartest everyday carry accessories for anyone who wants added security without adding extra bulk. Fantom X Wallet. The Fantom X Wallet is built for people who want speed, security, and a premium everyday carry experience. Its innovative card fanning mechanism lets you access your cards instantly with one smooth motion, making checkout faster and more convenient. Constructed from durable aerospace-grade aluminum, it offers excellent protection while maintaining an ultra-slim profile. Built-in RFID blocking technology helps protect your cards from digital theft, and its modular design lets you customize the wallet with accessories like a cash holder or tracker. If you're looking for a sleek, high-performance smart wallet that blends modern engineering with everyday practicality, the Fantom X Wallet is an outstanding choice. Ridge Wallet. The Ridge Wallet is built for people who want maximum durability without carrying a bulky wallet. Crafted from premium aluminum or carbon fiber, it offers RFID blocking protection while keeping your cards and cash secure in an ultra-slim design. It's also compatible with an AirTag attachment, making it easier to keep track of your wallet wherever you go. With its rugged construction, modern look, and everyday practicality, the Ridge Wallet has become a favorite among tech enthusiasts, travelers, and anyone looking to upgrade their everyday carry with a sleek premium wallet. Secrid Miniwallet. The Secrid Miniwallet proves that great things really do come in small packages. Its signature one-click card mechanism lets your cards slide out instantly, giving you quick access whenever you need them. Built with RFID protection and wrapped in premium leather, it blends classic style with modern security. Despite its compact size, it easily holds your everyday essentials without adding bulk to your pocket. If you're looking for a smart wallet that combines elegance, convenience, and reliable protection, the Secrid Miniwallet is an excellent everyday carry choice that stands out from the crowd. Nomad Leather Mag Wallet. The Nomad Leather Mag Wallet combines premium craftsmanship with smart, everyday convenience. Made from high-quality leather that develops a unique patina over time, it delivers a classic look with modern functionality. Its strong MagSafe connection keeps it securely attached to your iPhone, while built-in Apple. Find My Support helps you locate it if it's ever misplaced. The slim profile fits comfortably in your pocket without sacrificing practicality, making it perfect for daily use. If you want a stylish wallet that blends luxury, smart technology, and reliable performance, this one deserves a spot on your shortlist. Ekster Parliament Wallet. The Ekster Parliament Wallet is one of the most popular smart wallets for anyone who wants premium style without sacrificing modern features. Its signature quick card eject system gives you instant access to your most used cards with the push of a button, while built-in RFID protection helps keep your personal information secure. Crafted from high-quality leather, it delivers a refined look that fits perfectly into everyday life. Pair it with the optional tracking card, and you can locate your wallet using Apple Find My if it ever goes missing. It's a smart, stylish, and practical upgrade for your everyday carry. Dango D03 Dapper Wallet. The Dango D03 Dapper Wallet is the perfect blend of rugged durability and premium style. Built with aerospace-grade aluminum and genuine leather, it delivers a unique look that stands out from ordinary wallets. RFID blocking technology helps protect your cards from electronic theft, while its compact design keeps your everyday essentials organized without adding unnecessary bulk. Whether you're heading to the office or exploring the outdoors, this wallet is designed to handle daily use with ease. If you want a smart wallet that combines modern security, high-end materials, and lasting durability, the Dango D03 Dapper Wallet is an excellent pick. Which smart wallet was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this countdown, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing tech, smart gadgets, and must-see innovations you won't want to miss.